I got two major investments that I'm getting ready to deploy money into. And I want to give you guys those two, I believe, incredible investments. I'm going to be building a portfolio of stocks. And that portfolio of stocks is going to be called the Magnificent Seven. The Magnificent Seven, I believe, gives me a really good opportunity over the next 15 months to build more wealth. Some of y'all might ask, well, why do you call it the Magnificent Seven? Let me give you a little background. I'm a big investor in the S&P 500 index. Now, I don't invest in the index itself. I invest in ETFs and index funds that track the S&P 500 index. But in that S&P 500 index, there are 7 stocks or 7 companies that are the largest companies in the S&P 500. And they are called the Magnificent Seven. Therefore, this new portfolio of stocks that I'm going to be creating using the Weeble app is going to be called the Magnificent Seven. The Magnificent Seven consists of Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Alphabet, Nvidia, and Tesla. And over the next 15 months, my goal is to get 100% return on investment. Now, a lot of you guys are saying that's impossible, that won't happen. And maybe it won't, maybe it will. But I will never find out unless I try. The reason I tell you guys that is because that's what I do on this YouTube channel. I talk with you guys about things that I've done to build my wealth. Now, you certainly have an opportunity to consider doing the same thing I'm doing. I'm going to be using the Weeble app to make these Magnificent Seven investments. Why am I choosing the Weeble app? Well, I've used the Weeble app, guys, for the last 2.5 years, every single day. And that's how I buy and sell my paper assets on a daily basis. So it makes sense for me to just continue using the Weeble app to build the Magnificent Seven stock portfolio. Weeble link down in the description box of this video. For those of you who have not opened the Weeble account, you have an opportunity to go ahead and open that Weeble account. You're going to be in a position to create your own Magnificent Seven stock portfolio right along with me. Now, you don't have to, but if you want to, it makes sense to go ahead and sign up for Weeble, and then you'll be able to follow along with me, because I'm going to be tracking this thing on a week-to-week basis. Because here's what my commitment to that new investment looks like. I'm gonna take $1,000 every week, and I'm gonna put it in the Weeble account, and then I'm gonna invest in the Magnificent Seven every single week. I'm gonna take the $1,000, and it's gonna be equally split between the 7 stocks, roughly $143 per week in each stock. And I'm gonna do that for the next 14 to 15 months. And I believe I got an opportunity to double my money in that 14 to 15 months. No guarantee, but without risk, there's no reward. So I'm willing to have a certain level of risk in order to get a certain reward. That's the way it works, guys, when you're building wealth, investing in assets. Nothing's guaranteed, right? You just got to look at the historical performance of these investments and decide, is it something you want to pursue? There's a certain risk level, a certain risk tolerance, but I'm okay with that. So that's, in a nutshell, what I'm going to be doing with the stock portfolio and the Magnificent Seven. You guys certainly are welcome to join me. You don't have to. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you how I plan to build wealth using the Magnificent Seven over the next 15 months. If you want to join me, sign up for that Weeble account, link down below, and send me a DM on Instagram and let me know you've signed up, you've made you funded the account, and then I'm gonna send you that tutorial video so you're ready to rock and roll. The second investment I want to talk about is the real estate fund. And that real estate fund has a minimum investment from prospective investors of at least 10K. But you can take your investment amount as high as you feel comfortable, but we do have a minimum of 10K. That fund is going to buy real estate for income, single family up to 4-unit residential buildings. And that's all we're going to buy. And we're going to concentrate in areas that have a high level of people wanting to live there. Goal is every property that we buy in that real estate fund, we're going to hold it at least 3 to 5 years so that we can really maximize the cash flow, but also maximize the appreciation of the property. That's the second investment that I'm working on, and it's coming along. So if you guys are interested in being an investor in that real estate fund, all you got to do is send me an email, right? And that email address is in the description box of this video. It's RF Financial Consulting is the name of my company. That won't be the name of the real estate fund, but that's the name of my personal company. You'll see an email address along with that company name. You can send me an email and just let me know, Richard, hey, I'm interested in the real estate fund. Remember, minimum investment is going to be 10K, guys. So anybody that doesn't have the 10K, this won't be the right investment for you, but maybe there'll be some other stuff I do down the road. Hey, you can just jump on into the Magnificent Seven. You don't need 10K for that, right? You can use the Weeble app and make as little as $5 fractional share trades in your Magnificent Seven every week, and you're good to go. So if you don't have the 10K, but you still want to be a part of an investment with me, then you certainly can go over and open up that Weeble account and follow along in the Magnificent Seven portfolio build. I think, guys, we got an amazing opportunity to do some really nice things in that real estate fund. From the projections that I've seen, we're looking at anywhere from 15 to 30% annualized cash on cash return. And then, like I said, you got a 7 to 10% per year appreciation rate. So just some monster potential, nothing's guaranteed, but some potential monster returns. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about the Magnificent Seven stock portfolio and what you think about the real estate fund. Love to hear your comments. If you want 3 free stocks, Weeble is going to give you 3 free stocks when you open a new Weeble brokerage account. Put any amount of money in that brokerage account. They're going to give you 3 free stocks for just trying out their brokerage app. There's a link down in the description box of this video. Go click on that Weeble link. Open up your new Weeble account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I'm going to also send you a Weeble tutorial video to walk you through how to use the Weeble app to make your first trade. All you got to do is send me an email. Let me know you've opened the Weeble account, and I'm going to send you that free Weeble tutorial video. Email address down in the description box of the video. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.